Here it is installed on the Magpul CTR stock on a billet lower. MOE grip, billet, real steel firearm. Quick release via pushing this button, spring-loaded button in. It takes those detents, those steel ball detents out. Fits on the lower as well, right there. I don't like using it. Right there, hits me in the crotch every time I do it, so I just do that. The firearm hits me in the crotch if I have it there. It's a single point sling, so let's run a 2-point sling here. One on the upper, on the front sight base, like the lower part, behind the bayonet mount, or the bayonet lug. And here's the other one, so 2-point simple budget sling. It's like $1.48. It's cheaper than a round of ammunition, so we're good.